If your Epic Games account has been deactivated and you want to reactivate it, this video will walk you through the quickest way to get back in. I'll keep it simple, beginner-friendly, and straight to the point, so you can log back into your account without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the correct website so you don't run into any issues with fake pages or login errors. Once the site loads, look for the login button and click it. Now you'll see the sign-in page. Here, enter the email address and password that are connected to your Epic Games account. Make sure you type everything carefully, because even one small mistake can stop you from signing in. If you've forgotten your password, you may need to reset it first before continuing. After entering your login details, click the sign-in button. In many cases, this will reactivate the account automatically and let you access it again. If your account was only temporarily deactivated, logging in with the correct credentials should bring it back online right away. If you're still having trouble, double-check that you're using the right email address, especially if you have multiple accounts. Also, make sure your password is correct and that you're not using an old password by mistake. If necessary, use Epic Games account recovery options to regain access. Once you're signed in successfully, your account should be active again and ready to use. From there, you can continue playing your games, managing your library, and accessing all of your Epic Games services as normal. So to recap, go to the Epic Games website, click Login, enter your account email and password, and sign in to reactivate the account. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.